Before starting this video, you can download this lesson on the description below, or you can print it out so you can work with me. Sine, angle, sine. So we know that PR, this side here, is equal to XZ. And this angle here, angle QPR, is equal to YXZ. And then this side here, which is PQ, is equal to XY. So therefore, the triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ, and the rule is SAS. Now, please take note on this. Now, in order to use SAS proof, so you know that the angle here must be in between this line and this line. Otherwise, they're not congruent. For example, these two triangles here, even though this angle and these angles are equal, and this side equal to this side, and this side is equal, in order to have SAS, this triangle here, this angle here, these two angles should be in here. So therefore, these two triangles are not congruent. Okay, so please take note on this. For example, prove triangle PXS is congruent to triangle QXR. So step number 1, we need to write down the statement first. In triangle PXS and triangle QXR. That's the first step. Second step is we write down the facts. So the facts is PX, which is PX here, is equal to QX. And it's stated on the diagram. So these two symbols here means they are equal. So the reason is given. And the next step, we know that these two angles here are vertically opposite. So they're equal. It's not given, but this is the fact. So we write angle PXS is equal to angle QXR. And it's not given, it's the fact. So we write down the facts. Vertically opposite angles are equal. And last, SX is equal to RX. So SX is equal to RX. And it states these two symbols means they both are equal. So the reason is given. So now we have corresponding sides, corresponding angles, and then corresponding sides are equal. So 3 pairs. So therefore, the triangle PXS is congruent to triangle QXR. And the rule is SAS. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. So step number 1, we need to write in triangle MON and triangle PQR first. That's the very first step. And second step is I write MO, which is MO, is equal to PQ. And the order of your answer could be different from mine, and nothing wrong with that, okay? And the reason is given, because it's stated on the diagrams. Now, the next one is angle NMO is equal to RPQ, because both are equal 34 degrees. So you can write equal 34 degrees as well. And the reason is given, because it's stated on the diagrams. Last one is MN is equal to PR, and both are 10 centimeters. So which is that. And the reason is given. Now we have corresponding sides are equal and corresponding angles are equal, and then the corresponding sides are equal as well. So therefore, triangle MON is congruent to triangle PQR, and the rule is SAS. Right-angled hypotenuse side RHS. So we know that this angle is given, which is 90 degrees, and this one. And the hypotenuse, because the longer side is hypotenuse, that is opposite right angle. And this side and this side are equal. So we have right angle, both of triangles, and the hypotenuse are equal, and a side is equal. So therefore, these two triangles are equal. And the rule we're using is RHS, right angled hypotenuse size. For example, prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EFG. So remember, the first step, we write in triangle ABC and EFG first. Then we write down all the statement that's given on the diagram or the facts if we know. So angle BAC is equal to angle FEG. So this angle here are equal, and you can write equal 90 degrees if you like. And the reason is given because it's stated on the diagrams. So now BC is equal to FG, and it's stated on the diagrams, so it's given. And last, AC, which is AC here, is equal to EG. And again, it's stated on the diagram as well, so the reason is given. So now, therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EFG. And the reason is RHS, right angle hypotenuse size. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. Step number 1. So we write down in triangle PQR and triangle XYZ. Angle RPQ is equal to XYZ is equal to 90 degree, and is given because it's stated on the diagrams. Next one is PR is equal to XZ. So PR is equal to XZ, that both are 9 centimeters. So, and stay on the diagrams, so which is given. And last one is QR, which is QR here, is opposite right angles, is equal to YZ. So both are hypotenuse. Remember that. And it's stated on the diagrams, so which is given. So therefore, triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ. And the rules is right angle, hypotenuse, side, RHS if you like. Thank you so much for watching.